Good morning, guys. It's currently 6:40. Welcome back to another video. I'm Victor Gatobu. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch these videos. So today I have a trip and I'll show you what's up. Let's go. Get ready for a killer road trip. Careful. Today it's raining. It's raining, guys. Let's go to a secret location. Na drive wa nao kijana leo. Wa. Hii ni mvua. Wow, it's raining. It's raining bad. It's currently 7 a.m. and we are in Ongatarongai heading to Rimpa. Oncoming lorry, oncoming. Don't. Oncoming. There's a vehicle oncoming. That's a big mosque.
Matire. Kenya University.
Kupitia Wizara ya Utalii nchini.
Isinya. That's a nice tour van. What's the time? So guys, the time is 3:20 and someone is going to work. So I'm taking my sister to work at 3:20 p.m. in the evening. Batman.
Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean. Na Batman.
Because of the popcorn.
Wait, what?
Because of the popcorn.
No, nakuja usiku ka Batman. Calling me Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean ama Batman. Alisema.
Oh, Batman.
Hiyo siku alisema, hapo kuleni hiyo popcorn Mr. Bean akuji.
Let me skurada hiyo joke. Okay.
Ile episode ya Mr. Bean. Ile episode ya Mr. Bean. Delete that footage. Hiyo episode ya Mr. Bean yenye ana watch movie akosikia mpaka na mwaga popcorn.
Men wash their underwear after every wear. Okay. 20% of Monday in the UK admit to changing their
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
In contrast, rather, to 81% of babes in the UK wanagonga.
What's up, guys? We are heading to Karen. We are currently on Gataka Road, and the next town is Gataka Town. Let's go, guys.
This is licensed by BCLB. License number 0000891. Play responsibly.
I'm having fun.
Crazy people at the
We are having fun.
that this is not your gig.
Fun.
Passenger princess.
This Friday, 15th December.
Why don't you guys say hi to
Westlands? It promises to take
say hi to the mystery person?
Hello. Not the winner. Me, I'm the passenger. The original passenger princess.
Say hi. Yeah, so guys, that's Gataka Town. This is a manual car, bro. This is not automatic. Oh yes it is. Oh, it's God. Please YouTube copyright that. That's allowed. I just want them to copyright it. God did this thing when he made me. With the eyes stacked against me, I could crack the bitch. I know judges, I say that but crazy. They smell blood like a shark, they start acting fishy. While I'm at that, so they gon' have to that looks nice. This is what you want to read. This is the goal. This is the Kenyan dream. This is why you want to live, guys. This is why you want to be. Yes, we come from Karen. Guys, this is what Karen looks like. Unaweza tokea area kuna form, unaweza na bashi chrome, alafu ni 20 to command. Mtu anauguza anataka tende kwa juu ya chini kwa unasikia bebe imekana fili zetu. Buda, hii video itakuwa copyrighted mbaya. Msisi aniuzio gari yenye amebeba. Oh, ni Masai. So when you go back, we go straight. I say, huko ni Karen, man. This is where you wanna be. This is the Kenyan dream. Manicured fences.
Yes, with this one, man. But listen, let me give poverty the spoiler.
Say what's up. So guys, we are currently stopped at Karen. We are checking the car and now it's time to go home. Let's go. Just driving around, cruising in Karen. Let's go to Catholic University. Yeah.
The Red Devils, who are sixth in the EPL table, crashed out of the Champions League and the Carabao Cup. The news this hour.
1035 Home Points Radio News.
S550. What do you say? S280. What do you say?
40-inch middle party. He got all my retarded. Feel like guys who play me the hardest. I'm not a regular artist. Go cool and I'm just getting started. Baddies on baddies, they know how to move. Hooters on hooters, they know how to move. Bustin' that pack going straight to the moon. Off the juice. Acting
Wenda record huko mafuta ikiwekwa.
Shout out to members of the Boys Club tuned in right about.
Boys Club tuned in. Let's go.
Just a little bit. 0700-4270. Basically, I think schools should be closing very, very soon for the Christmas holiday. So that's a little bit of traffic because of the school drops and everything. But finally, if you're in and around side, you're stuck in the friend zone. Hello, Chico. Chico. Hey. Listen, if there's a song that's a proper party starter, that's with Robin Thicke and Pharrell, T.I. Bloodlines playing to you right here on 103.5 Homeboys Radio, the urban sound of Nairobi. Stand by your record of the week is coming through in just a little bit. Nicki Minaj is on this one yet again. But you know what, man? Shout out to all the members of the Boys Club that I want to come through to GWK this weekend. Listen, stand by. I'll be telling you in and around of what you should expect when you come there. But I have